Chiefs on the line is the State Vice Chairman, Husseini. Now that gets ready for opening
convention. That is why we took our time painstakingly to select men and women of caliber. If you look at the front line, we were all either former governors, former ministers, distinguished senators, and the rest.
And that we are taking the convention very seriously. That is why we are going about discharging our duties with every sense of responsibility. I've always advocated that those who started PDP will not want or wish that it will die in our time. And we therefore have a responsibility to make sure that we keep the platform alive for the people of Nigeria. I therefore want to welcome all of you to this inaugural meeting of the, what do you call it? Protocol Committee. Thank you. I'm sure that if you are going to have a smooth convention, the work of this committee becomes very important. We will be the ones to cross the T's and to dot the I's. If you see any meeting well organized, with a lot of ease and flow, is because protocol was well handled. It therefore means that our job is cut out for us. The essence of this inaugural meeting is for us to know ourselves, because our job is not in Abuja. Our job is in Ibadan. And at the appropriate time, it means we will have to arrive in Ibadan before other delegates. And I hope Ibadan people will receive us in good time. Yes, the chairman of the Convention Planning Committee, of course, will be there a week before the convention. And he will receive us and then task us with our duties. I wish us the very best in the discharge of our duties, and I'm sure that at the end of it all, the Ibadan Convention will come out as a very successful one. Thank you all for coming.
So, Lero Yobi, the Deputy Minority Leader of the Senate, and the indulgence of the People Democratic Party in Abuja, the Deputy Chairman of the Sub-Protocol Committee. And standing with me is the engine room of that subcommittee, the Secretary of the committee, who is a Commissioner for Youth, Women Affairs and Social Inclusion. It's almost 3 or 4 in 1 from Oyo State. We are here to do the inaugural meeting of our convention, tagged Ibadan 2025. So, and as he said, the chairman was with us to the end of the inaugural meeting. The governor of Plateau State, Barrister Caleb Moswan, they had to leave for another very important assignment. To showcase the importance of this committee, the chairman of the convention committee himself, the governor of Adamawa State, was also there. Right Honorable Marufintri was there, and the vice chairman, Barrister Turaki, was also there to start the subcommittee meeting with us. And the purpose of the subcommittee meeting is to, one, have face-to-face interaction with all the members across the state. All the 36 states and FCT are represented in that committee to show the importance. And it was populated by men of timber and caliber, experienced people who have held series of positions, governors, deputy governors, senators, commissioners, party officials, because of the importance that we attach to this elective convention that the PDP is holding 15th, 16th of November. And the meeting went well. We informed the members what the agenda that the party have drawn, and then we also, from the members, through our interactive sessions, also get ideas to flesh what the party have put together. Convention, successful convention hang very seriously on protocol and protocol arrangement. and we want one of the best convention for PDP. PDP is known for progress, is known for painstaking arrangement, is known for very superb political arrangement, and the Ibadan that we have chosen is known for political activities in Nigeria. So the people have come up with a lot of ideas on how to make sure that the convention is seamless and it's rancor-free. We're working with other committees. Every committee is important, but towards the end, some will start early, but our work mostly is towards the end of the program in Ibadan itself. And everybody is ready and committed to put their best to make sure that the convention is hitch-free and come out successfully. That's just the purpose of our meeting today. Thank you very much.
Okay, I'll take
the third estate of the realm here represented. You are indeed worthy partners in progress with the requisite political parties in shedding light on happenings in the polity. Thank you so much for that question. There is, I wouldn't say, we wouldn't rate ourselves 100%, but I make bold to say that apart from the fact that Oyo State is renowned for being a hotbed of politics, particularly in the polity, I would say that the state is at a state of readiness to host the deluge of notables coming from across the length and breadth of Nigeria. As we all know, the PDP, I would say, is one of the true parties, political parties, that is truly representative of the cross-section of our nation. Oyo State is ready to roll, ready to receive the deluge of notables and citizens of note from all the 36 states of Nigeria and the FCT. In terms of logistical arrangements, in terms of, as we all know, the protocol committee, I would say, is one of the most strategic committees in the preparation for an event of this scale, particularly because the mandate of the committee cuts across right from inception or arrival of our valuable and VIPs, right from the airport till the day of the event and even afterwards. At every step of the way, be it from the venue committee to the protocol committee, which we represent, to the to the all other requisite committees are at a state of readiness. And what we have been able to do, because there's a nexus between, particularly between our committee and all other committees, the chairman of all the individual committees, inclusive of especially all the leadership of the various committees, from the deputy chairman and the secretaries, are working because we have a nexus across board to ensure that all the requisite details are duly put in place. So I would say that Oyo State is ready to roll, ready to host all the notables and the citizens of the country who are coming in to participate in the forthcoming national convention. Thank you. Lekon Salami Stadium, as Adama said, yeah, which has the requisite capacity to take on the deluge of visitors I'm expecting.
And working with you for the success of this in Ibadan.
I have distinguished host us in Osun State before we go to Ibadan.
Yeah, whatever you want to get is approved.